Hello, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akbar Rafli Ardiansyah and you can call me Akbar. I am 19 years old. I was born in Jombang, May 9, 2001. I am from Jombang and I currently live in Jombang too. My hobby are playing basketball and playing games. Every Saturday and Sunday, I regularly play basketball with friends, usually from 6 to 8 in the morning. I like playing basketball because this sport suits me very well and can be called a hobby for me. While my next hobby is playing games. I often play games when I feel tired while studying or doing assignments. In between, I used to play games to refresh my brain. Next is about my hometown, Jombang, with a ring in Condong as the icon. Jombang is also known as the city of Santri because of the large number of Islamic education schools in its area. There is even a saying that says Jombang is the center of Islamic boarding school in Java because almost all pesantren founders in Java must have studied in Jombang. Among the famous Islamic boarding school is the Puireng. That said, the word Jombang is an acronym for the Javanese word Ijo as green and Abang as red. Ijo represent the santri or religious, and the Abang represent the abangan. The two groups live side by side and in harmony in Jombang Regency. Even these two elements are depicted in the basic colors of the regional symbol of Jombang Regency. And the last is my study plan for the future. I hope to be an active student, useful to the surrounding community, get a IPK above 3, graduate with a cum laude, and the last is to get a job in accordance with my field. To achieve that result, the effort required must be completely unanimous or have a strong determination. Having a passion for learning and having lots of friends are also very important to build relationship. Not only that, support from parents is the main weapon for success, and for that all, do not forget to always pray to God so that we are given fluency and easy in every step that we will go through. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.